fascinating place. Leia, our python, is a predator, catching and eating smaller animals. But worlds can be reversed in a single moment when suddenly a bigger predator comes along. So, speaking of bigger predators, let's go big. Real big. Check this girl out. Okay? Wow, and this is Shari, our white-bellied sea eagle, weighs in at 2 kilograms and has a wingspan of 4.5 feet long. Well, she's a fish lover with an occasional sea snakes on the side. Right? And when she hunts, she doesn't dive underwater. Instead, she skims over the water surface, right? And catch prey with very sharp talons. So seagulls are quite vocal. They talk a lot and sounds like this. Sounds like a goose and an eagle, diba? Well, she may not be a talented singer, but she has a pretty face and gracefully fly. Wow, just like that. Okay? Hey, come on, Shari. You may drop a picture now. Alright. Okay, yeah.